So today I have a package from an Etsy shop called Go Live Your Dream KTTW, and I'm going to use the contents of it to fill a advent calendar for my daughter. Let's get started. So we went to Disney World in Florida a couple of years ago. And one of the things we did when we were there was trade pins. And it was really fun. We really enjoyed it, but we didn't have pins before we left, so we ordered some online, and then we traded the ones we didn't want to keep. And we have a wall hanger that we have them on, and I'll show you a picture of that now. So we have those pins from our first trip, and we just really enjoyed the pins, so I thought that would make a really fun advent calendar. And I have this calendar that I got from Michael's about 2 years ago, and that it's got these little doors on it, and you can just pull it out, and they're the perfect size for a Disney pin. So I'm excited to do this for her, and I'm also excited to open this and see what we got. So let's see. So you can order them in groups of 5, 10, I think maybe 15, all the way up to 250. For the smallest group of 5, it was $9.99, and for that largest group of 250 pins, it is $131.99. I went with 25 pins because I just want them for my advent calendar. So let's see what they came with. One thing I learned, you know it's a true Disney pin if it's got the mouse ear cover on the back. And so that's, I guess, how you know it's a real Disney pin. So here it looks like we have a blue macaroon. So I guess I'll just look at it and then I'll put it in the door. So for my door number 1, I'll put in this blue macaroon. Alright, for door number 2, we'll do this gingerbread looking Wookiee. Is it a Wookiee? Sorry guys. Chewbacca. He's like a little gingerbread man, which is cute. So I'll put him in door number 2. That kind of goes with my Christmas theme. Door number 3, I'm going to put this pink sneaker in, and you guys might know better than I do what this is. All it makes me think of is Sleeping Beauty and just like a sneaker collection, I guess. I don't know. So got that one, put that one in door 3. And door 4, I got all these things from last year in there I gotta pull out. Door 4, the guy from one of the old men from the Muppets that was always in like the what do you call it? The theater, the section where they just kind of sit there and talk trash. But I think they're hilarious. So anyway, door 4 will be that guy. Door 5 is going to be this green guy. I'm not sure what that is from, but we'll put him in door 5. Door 6, we'll do these cat ears. I want to say this is from Aristocats, but those are really cute. And we'll stick that in door 6. Door 7, we have this license plate that says Doom Buggy from Florida, and I know I should probably know what that's from, but I don't. But You can let me know in the comments down below all these things that I'm not figuring out, and you can let me know what they are. Just put the door number and what that one was. That will help me out a lot. All right, next for door 8, we have The Sleeping Dog. I believe this is from, help me out, the movie where they eat the spaghetti. Lady and the Tramp. Is that Lady? I think that's Lady. So I'm going to put that one in door 8. Door 9, I have this green Mickey Mouse. Makes me think of maybe St. Patrick's Day themed, but I'm going to go ahead and put that one in door 9. Door 10, I have one of the chipmunks. He's cute. I'll put him in door 10. Alright, day 11, we have Jasmine, but it's like a cell phone. It says Jasmine calling, so we'll put that in door 11. Door 12, we have this little Eeyore. Put him in door 12. Door 13, there's this little really cute Donald Duck teacup. He's really cute. I'll put him in door 13. Door 14. Oh, here's like a Walt Disney World pennant. That looks really cool. I don't know so I'll put that in door 14. I don't know which one of these are like common ones or which ones are hard to get. So if you guys do know, you can let me know that in the comments as well. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what this one is. Help me out, guys. But I'm gonna put this one in door 15. Door 16, there's this really cute Minnie Mouse kite. We'll put that in door 16. One problem we found when we had our first lot of Disney pins was there were a lot that we actually wanted to keep. And so it was kind of like hard to want to trade some of them because, and we didn't. We kept some of the ones that we got from the package we got, but you know, it was just a little tricky. Okay, door 17, we have this like Cinderella hair. No, I don't, it looks like Cinderella hair, but I'm gonna think it's Tinkerbell because of the green cupcake liner. I don't know. But I'm gonna put this one in door 17. Door 18 from that movie about emotions. Of course I can't remember it, but this is one of those characters. I'm gonna put her in door 18. In door 19, my favorite Disney princess, Belle. I'm gonna put her in 19. That one's really cute. I'm gonna try to convince her to keep that one if we go to Disney again. In door 20, oh, we got one of these aliens from Toy Story. The Claw. I'll put that one in door 20. All right, door 21. I can't think of his name, but from Hercules, and it's a tie. It's a tie with him on it. So he's gonna go in door 21. And in door 22 is Star Wars pin. It says R2 on it. I'm going to put that in door 22. Door 23. Oh, here's Lilo. Or not Lilo, sorry. Here's Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. And my daughter loves him. And so I'm going to make him day 25. Oh, that door is stuck. It doesn't want to come out. There we go. Okay, so this one's gonna be day 25 because she will love that, getting him. So for day 23, we will do, oh, it's Cruella de Vil, like on a coffin? That's what that looks like to me. So I'll put that in box 23. And then Christmas Eve, day 24, will be, oh, the dragon from, I believe this is the dragon from Mulan. I cannot think of his name, but he will be day 24. So there you go, a little fun, little advent calendar idea. You could order some Disney pins. I found these from the Etsy shop, Go Live Your Dream, KTTW. And I will have a link for it in the description down below. And it was $18. And I want to say it shipped within the week. Like, it came rather quick. So I just think it's a fun, cute advent calendar idea. You don't even have to have these doors. You could use like little small bags. But I think it will just be a fun way for her to count down to Christmas. And we'll add them to a lanyard so that whenever we're ready to go to Disney again, we have some pins that we are ready to trade. So, hope you guys liked today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which pin was your favorite, which door. Oh no, I just dropped that. That's not good. Anyway, let me know in the comments below which door was your favorite, and let me know if you know any of the pins I couldn't figure out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.